Are you looking for a comfortable, stylish, breathable face mask? Well, stay tuned as I review the HALOmask. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am actually going to be unboxing this HALOmask and the HALOmask Nano Filter. In this comes one mask, and this is going to be in the color black, and it is the large size. And it also comes with a Halo Nano Filter. And so what I want to do is just kind of unbox this and kind of see what the specs are and see why this is said to be the most comfortable breathe freely mask. And so I'm actually on the market of trying to find a very comfortable mask to wear out and about when I need to go out to get my necessities. And so I want to check this out. And so I also want to share this with you just in case you are actually looking for a comfortable, breathable mask. So let's go ahead and get started. So again, this is one mask. It is in the large size, and this is black on black. And I chose that color because I just felt like the black on black is just nice and chic, and it can just go with anything. So, ooh, okay. I love the feel of it. It has a very soft feel. As you can see, it has like the little net here, which is really cute. I like that. That black on black is really stylish, y'all. Like, that is really, really cute. And then you have your ear loop here. Oh, and it has an adjustable ear loop, actually. So we're going to have to test this out. All right. And then we got some nose pads here, rubber nose pads. And you get 2 of these. So that's great. So that if we have to reuse this, we can actually have an extra one to reuse. So that is really good. All right. And I'm just trying to check and see how it feels and why, just checking it out. So one thing that I do notice here, when you're touching it, I like how it lets you know that this is where the nose go, because a lot of times, we may be in a rush and putting the mask upside down, but I do love that it has like that little groove there, like that nose bridge. So that way, that's where that little nose piece goes. That is really cute. And so this is the area, I guess, where the filter goes in. Nice mesh area there. It's really all right. And so here is a certificate here. All right, to let you know that it passed the QC. And then we have our rubber nose pad. And so let's check out the HALOmask Nano Filter. All right, very easy to open. All right. And so, yeah, so it does come with instructions here, and I'm going to actually assemble this and insert the nano filter and also put in my nose pad and let you guys see how that goes, just so that if you want to purchase this, you guys will know how to put this together. So let me go ahead and concentrate and put this in and put the nose pad in. And so what I'm going to do once I put this together, I'm actually going to let you guys see how it looks on me and talk about just how it fits and how it feels. All right, so now it's time to add in the rubber nose pad. And so I'm just going to peel one off here. So I'll do it this way. There we go. And the instruction says to carefully fold the nose pad into a V with the sticky side facing out. And then make sure you identify where the nose piece goes. And then you're going to insert the folded nose pad into the middle of the bridge and press firmly in the middle of the bridge. Make sure I got it in there. And press firmly. So let's see. There we go. I'm just going to press it firmly in there. All right, so I have it assembled. So now I'm going to actually put it on and see how it fits. So that's how it looks in the inside and the outside. And what I failed to mention that I actually just noticed is that it has a nice little chin guard here. A lot of masks, you know, it doesn't have this. And so this is an extra touch, extra material that they placed at the bottom to go around the chin. So I cannot wait to try that out and see how that fits. So all right, so let me go ahead and try this on for you guys. All right, so time to test out the fitting of this halo mask. So first, what you're gonna do is place the mask under your chin and over your nose, and then pull straps over your ears. And then you're gonna continue to adjust the straps and the ear loop for the maximum comfort. And mine actually fit perfectly. And then you're going to press the ridge of the nose band over the bridge of your nose for an airtight fit. And that's actually comfortable. And then you're going to adjust the chin wrap that you see here. Adjust that for a final comfort and protection. So I'm actually going to do like a laugh test because I love to laugh in my mask. And when I'm talking, I love to laugh. So we're going to do the laughing test. Yeah, so it didn't even move. So I still have that protection. The air is not coming out. I don't have any air coming in. And this will be great if you wear glasses and you're tired of your glasses getting foggy from wearing your mask all day. You guys, this band, and you know, it contours away from with that rubber band, that rubber nose band, that air does not come up. So this will be perfect, and it's fitting really tight around my face. It's hugging my face. And I can still talk in this. I can talk in this for days, and I don't have that suction in when I'm talking. And I love how right here, this little contour of the mask pushes away from my face, and I'm able to talk. And I love to wear lip gloss and lipstick. And so sometimes it rubs off in the inside of my mask. It doesn't really do that much. I can feel a little bit of the cloth inside touching. But as far as this right here, I love this. I love the fit of it. And I don't have to worry about my mask constantly coming down. As I'm talking now, my mask is not moving from my face. I love this. I will talk all day in this mask, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and I hope you enjoyed this review. I will put all of this information of this halo mask in my description box if you want to check it out and maybe purchase one for yourself. Make sure you also add in that HALOmask Nano Filter. It is amazing. So again, you guys, if you enjoyed this product review, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I hope that you consider subscribing and become a part of my Tea Party Squad. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.